Hello everybody, my name is Siddhant Miglani, your German language teacher. Welcome back to my channel, German with Siddhant. In today's session, you will learn how to pronounce countries, nationalities and languages in German. I have created a list of 30 countries with translations both explained in German and English. So, let's begin. Countries, nationalities and languages. In this lesson, I have a very structured list of 30 countries with their respective nationalities and languages. To have better comprehension, please focus on my pronunciation and understand the difference of spellings in the given words between English and German. Before starting the lesson, I would like you to know that we have two different words of nationality for male and female persons in German language. For example, I belong to India, so I would say I am an Indian. So there is no distinction between male and female person. We have the same word Indian for male as well as female. But in German, we have two different words for male as well as female. Now we have the English translation for three German words, namely Land, which means country, Nationalität, which means nationality, Sprache, which means language. Now I'm going to start with a list of 30 countries, starting with Deutschland. I'm repeating this word again, Deutschland, which means Germany. Then Deutscher, nationality, male person from Germany. Then Deutsche, female person from Germany. And last we have Deutsch, which is German language. Now we have Schweiz, means Switzerland. Then Schweizer, male person from Switzerland. Schweizerin, female person from Switzerland. Last, Schweizerisch means Swiss language. Indian means the country India. Inder, male person from India. Inderin, female person from India. Indisch means Indian language. China means China. Chinese, male person from China. Chinesin, female person from China. Then Chinesisch means Chinese language. England means England. Engländer means male person from England. Engländerin, female person from England. English, English language. America, America. Amerikaner, male person from America. Amerikanerin, female person from America. Then Amerikanisch, American language. Frankreich means France. Franzose means male person from France. Französin, female person from France. Last, Französisch means French language. Australian means Australia. Australier, male person. Australierin, female person. Australisch, Australian language. Denmark, Denmark. Dana, male person from Denmark. Danin, female person. Danish, Danish language. Finland, Finland. Finner, male person from Finland. Finnin, female person from Finland. Finnish, Finnish language. Italian, Italy. Italiener, male person. Italienerin, female person. Italianish, Italian language. Japan means Japan. Japaner, male person from Japan. Japanerin, female person from Japan. Then Japanish, Japanese language. Sweden means Sweden. Schwede, male person. Sweden, female person. Language, Swedish, Swedish language. Österreich means Austria. Österreicher, male person. Österreicherin, female person. Österreichisch means Austrian language. Poland, Poland. Pole, male person. Poland, female person. Language, Polnish, Polish language. Spanien, Spain. Spanier, male person. Spanierin, female person. Language, Spanish, Spanish language. Belgian means Belgium. Belgier, male person from Belgium. Belgierin, female person from Belgium. Language, Belgisch, Belgian language. Großbritannien means Great Britain. Briter, male person. Britain, female person. Language, British, means British language. Canada means Canada. Canadier, male person. Canadierin, female person. Canadish, Canadian language. Griechenland means Greece. Grieche, male person. Grecian, female person. Grecisch means Greek language. Mexico, Mexico. Mexicaner, male person. Mexicanerin, female person. Mexicanish, Mexican language. Brazilian, Brazil. Brasilianer, male person. Brasilianerin, female person. Brazilianish, Brazilian language. Holland, Holland. Hollander, male person. Holländerin, female person. Holländisch means Dutch language. Norwegian, Norway. Norweger, male person. Norwegerin, female person. Norwegish, Norwegian language. Turkey, Turkey. Turco, male person. Turkin, female person. Turkish, Turkish language. Rusland means Russia. Russer, male person. Rusin, female person. Russisch, Russian. Malaysia, Malaysia. Malay, male person. Malayan, female person. Malayish means Malay language. Africa, Africa. Afrikaner, male person. Afrikanerin, female person. Afrikanisch, African language. Chile means Chile. Chilena, male person. Chilenin, female person. Chilenish means Chile language. Iran, Iran. Iraner, male person. Iranerin, female person. Iranish, Iranian language. That's all for today's session. For this lesson, I have a special task for you. You need to do this task for 6 days in a row. Each day you have to pick 5 countries, their nationality and language, and write down the same in your notebook, both in English and German. I can assure you guys you would achieve a mastery over this. Thanks for watching the lesson. Goodbye.